Tired of payment processing hiccups and limited features on Stripe? A complete and accurate business profile is your key to unlocking a smoother, more powerful Stripe experience. So let's walk through how to complete it step by step. First, log into your Stripe dashboard on the left-hand menu. Locate the Settings section. Within Settings, you'll find Business Profile. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. Now, Stripe will guide you through a series of prompts requesting essential information. Start with your business legal name, ensuring it matches official registration documents. Next, select your business structure, such as sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. This is important for compliance and legal reasons. Enter your tax ID or employer identification number (EIN). If you're a sole proprietor, you'll likely use your social security number. Now, provide your business address, your official registered location. Be precise. Then, accurately categorize your industry. Stripe uses this to understand your business and tailor its services. Input your website URL. This is crucial for verification and building trust. Finally, complete the customer support details, including phone number and email. This allows Stripe to contact you about payments. Double-check all the information for accuracy before submitting. Inaccurate details can lead to delays or account restrictions. Once everything is verified and complete, you'll unlock advanced features, ensure compliance, and build trust with Stripe, ultimately streamlining your payment processing.